Hi, I'm Melika.
I'm Karen.
And we're nurses. So we came here today to talk about our experience with Erika and Luxury Living Team. We first came to work with Erika and her team based on a referral from a close family member. And what we know about this family member is that she only uses services that are high quality. As far as using them again or recommending the team, we would definitely do that again. We have an adult child that's in the military that's moving back to Georgia. Yay! And we already recommended Erika and her team, and they are currently working together to trying to find a residence to get our family back on this side of the United States.
So every part of the process that we went through with Erika and her team, they were very patient with us, professional, and very efficient, which is everything that we needed in order to get through this process.
With every property, the one thing that we liked about our experience with them is that Erika always asked us to rate the properties. And through rating the properties, we were able to figure out which features were most important to us. That was very, very helpful in helping us decide which properties that we could eliminate and which ones we needed to further investigate.